Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish cakes from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh white fish fillets, like cod or pollock. Also, prepare your aromatics, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a flavorful dish. Now, let's prepare the fish mixture. Begin by finely mincing your fish fillets. You can do this by hand or by pulsing them a few times in a food processor until they form a coarse paste. Transfer the minced fish to a large bowl. Add the egg, cornstarch, soy sauce, sesame oil, minced ginger, and minced garlic. Stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix everything until it is well combined and slightly sticky. It's time to shape and cook our fish cakes. Take about 2 tablespoons of the fish mixture and form it into small, flat patties, approximately 2 inches in diameter and about 1/2 inch thick. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your homemade fish cakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite dipping sauce, such as a sweet chili sauce or a tangy lime-based dressing. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. These versatile fish cakes make a fantastic appetizer, a light lunch, or even a delightful addition to a larger meal. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.